Today I took a $100 fine. And I'm not really excited to tell you this, but looks like I really didn't observe that red light ahead, so... yeah, I really don't want that to be happening again. It was not the best experience. I don't recommend it to anyone. Jesus, I have flashbacks. As they were searching my bike, I really wanted to see that it gets over the speed limit. And nope, the bike didn't went over the speed limit. Actually, it was not showing the speed at all on the screen. I don't know why. And it's weird because I'm coming from a scooter and I was riding at the same speed as the police car. They had no problems with it. They didn't stop me. They didn't care. So I pulled this big boy and now they care. This is even slower than the scooters I have. So I don't know what to say about this. What do you guys think? Sure, it is not the same thing. I was pulled over because I ran over a red light. We've got a new stem. What do you guys think about it? I like it way more. It is shorter. It brings the handlebars closer to me. The stock one had them really far away. So I had to like go forward a little bit. But now I'm sitting in the perfect position. I'm sure a lot of you guys have been stopped by police. I'm not the only one. No way. Nah. Guys, check this house out. I'm kind of weird by doing this. But yo, check this house. It's so nice. I mean, it's looking so new and modern. I really enjoy riding here because I see a lot of nice houses. Hopefully one day I will have something like this. Ooh! That was a lot of holes in the road. Can you guys explain to me why? Those houses are so nice and they have this kind of road in front of them. We are cruising right now. Man, I love my life. That's not the proper way to avoid the speed bump, but... and I'm gone. They wanted so badly to find something illegal about this bike. They searched and they searched. They wanted to see what's the top speed on sport mode. Show me the sport mode, I wanna see. But this bike being completely legal, they didn't find anything suspicious about it. After all, it has pedals and all that, so you can't really do much about it. But they really wanted to find something. A lot of kids are riding their surrons on that street and they're going full throttle, 70 kilometers an hour, and that's dangerous. Those kids are like 14, 16 years old, and they should not go that fast on a surron. There is nothing wrong to have a surron at that age, but all of them are doing wheelies. It's fun to do a wheelie, it's fun to do everything. All I'm saying is that, guys, try to be careful out there. If you're speeding, do it carefully. You don't want to hurt yourself. Something weird that's happening to me is that now I have this kind of an anxiety of riding on big roads because I don't know if police is going to observe me and be like, yo, stop, what are you riding? What is that bike you have? And I'm like, what if I'm going on those kind of maze streets and all that? I don't want any more fees. That fee got me done. You know what's funny? If 100 of you guys will donate through thank you on this video $1, I will get the money back. I mean, don't do that. Keep your money safe. So I guess I'm just going to ride on those kind of streets. Police is not around here. So I saw a lot of people with surrons doing this. Even though they have cool bikes and all that, just because they're afraid of being stopped by police, they are going on those streets and on the sidewalk. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Of course, you need to be somewhat legal. I don't know if the bike has to be limited to 25 kilometers an hour. Of course, this thing is not limited. It goes up to 50 and something kilometers an hour. So what I love about this bike though is the range. This can go forever. I just can't kill the battery on it. And that's awesome. Oh. I avoided that speed bump. It's really nice that I don't need to have any kind of range and anxiety. That happened to me on the G2 Master a lot. I ran out of battery like 10 times and man, that's not fun. I have to walk my way home. I don't know if this happened to you guys. I mean, going home on your legs and also carrying a scooter is not really fun, right? This street is awesome. Yeah! Ooh, there is a lot of traffic going on here. I mean, look, I'm going as legal as possible. Thank you for going in front of my bike. I don't even know how to call this thing. It's not a bike. Sure thing, it looks like an e-bike because it has motors, it has pedals and all that. But that one thing that doesn't make it 100% legal, it is not limited to 25 kilometers an hour. So I can do that if I want to. I can go to P settings and make it go only 25 kilometers an hour. But then I won't be safe on the road because cars are going to pass really close to me. And not being able to keep up with the traffic puts you in a way dangerous position than you are by just keeping up with the traffic, right? I'm sure you guys know what I'm saying. I would rather go about 50 kilometers an hour in traffic and keep up with the cars because that way nobody's going to honk me, nobody's going to say anything about what I'm doing. I'm just going to ride normally together with them, just like I'm doing right now. You see, everything looks normal. And I could just pray that police won't stop me again. I wanted to do this a long time ago. I'm just going to take you guys in the under tunnels of this mall. Let's see how's the mood in here. Wow, this is so clean. Yo, this terrain is slippery, so maybe I should not be speeding that much here. Wow, can you hear this echo? Can we go even more down? No, this is the exit. Man, this is fun. Okay, this is the end. This is how low as it gets? Okay, this is what I'm saying, but I want to go even more down. Okay, this should be the way. Let's go down. -2, that's what I'm saying. This place is nice. Yeah, this is as low as it gets. You can go lower than this. Ooh, speed bump. Ooh, ooh. Man, the sun rays here are amazing. I really want to see how comfortable it is to ride on those roads. Yo, they're all swimming with their boats on the water. That's so nice. Sure thing, this bike lane is nice, but it gets worse. And I'm telling you why. It stops right here. And now, oh, this road is bumpy. You will feel in my voice how not comfortable this road is. People are not even riding their scooters because the road is so bad. How cool is that? Oh, rocks. Man, I can ride on rocks. This is so easy. I should not be here though. Ping pong tables and all that. Awesome. The bike lane continues right about here under this bridge, if I'm not wrong. We are on the bike lane again, and this is one of the most beautiful places this town offers. You know what's so crazy about this bike? I charged it like twice and I have 132 kilometers on it. How cool is that? Let's go till the end of this road. I'm really curious to see what we are going to find. This is not as good quality as it was before. This is like a college or something. They don't give a shit. It seems pretty good quality to me so far. At least this one is not painted with that kind of weird slippery paint. And this is the part that I don't really like. Those black things right here. If I'm going to touch them with one of my pedals, I'm gone. My leg gonna break. Ooh, I can't even imagine what will happen. Wow. I really love this place actually. And now you can go under this tunnel. I don't think that tunnel is meant for bikes. Ooh, I missed the exit. Yee, that bridge had such a bad smell in there. This road is going to go all the way to Serbia. This is a really high quality road after all. Not bad. Yo, this bridge is nice. What is wrong with this road? It is the bumpiest road I've ever been on so far. This exists in my town? This is where I had that incident with the old guy that chased me. It is so funny how we are humans. We assimilate places with memories we had in that places. Check this line out. It is so long. This guy is trapped here. Gapping cars like this is so dangerous, but I still love it. I am in the middle of the city right now. And the weather is so nice. Man, it's so beautiful outside when it's not raining. This traffic is a mess right now. Yo, what happened to that car? His door was destroyed. I don't see the point of having a car in this city. I mean, it's not fun to stay on the same red light for 10 times. On the other hand, if it's raining, you will need a car for sure. But if not, just use a bike, man. Yo, what's up with this place? Look at this. You see? A lot of people are on the bike lane. Oh, man. I'm going just as fast as a bicycle right now. This guy on the scooter has the same exact problem as I do. Yeah! Now we are talking! My city is full of bike lanes. I think I'm going to rather go on them than on the road sometimes. If I'm going on the road, I will be like, okay, let me just check real quick if there is police around me, okay? But that's only with a bike, because police is looking a lot after these bikes. You see, this guy is on my bike lane, and that's really annoying. But on a scooter is just something different. Police is not after you that much. From my experience, I've never been pulled over on a scooter. And boom, first day on a bike, police is there. So yeah, there are two different categories. If you have a scooter, police doesn't have anything to do with it. But if you have a bike or a surron or anything like that, police will have like toothless eyes on you. This is some of the most beautiful road I have in my town. Okay, that was awesome. Yo, this place looks so nice and cozy. This is the Valley of Students. This is where the future of this town is. It's looking really nice. So yeah, that was my little interaction with the police. At first I was not even sure if they were chasing me or somebody else. So I was just minding my own business. Then I realized that they were chasing me. I was like, oh no, what did I do? One of them got off the car and took my keys off pretty much instantly. After all, they concluded it is just a normal bike, so that was amazing for me, because that's all I wanted to hear. I just enjoy so much riding in unusual places in my town. I shouldn't do this, but I'm going to. I mean, what is the worst that can happen? Can I go downstairs? Okay, that was funny as f. I did it. I went downstairs with a bike. I was not brave enough to do this with a scooter. I just want to show you this place, guys. It is so beautiful. Here is a huge tunnel where a lot of tuned cars test their exhaust. Ooh, it's cold in here. Man, look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, now we are talking. That's what I'm saying. Let's go, Taz guy. I'm going to catch you. Yeah, this guy knows what's up. Even Taz is going on the sidewalk. They are not dealing with the car. You are dodging this kind of traffic, so it really is more convenient to be on this road. Taz guy, no! He went on a red light. Come on! Where is police now? He went on a red light. Come on! Police, where are you? I am sitting here like a fool and he just went on a red light. He's not getting a $100 fee for that. Awesome. Cameras, not a single problem. In my previous video, when I unboxed this thing, well, I was on the wrong settings with the wheels. This thing has 20-inch wheels and it was set on 22. That's why it was going 57 kilometers an hour, but it actually goes about 52 or 53 kilometers an hour. That's with a GPS tracker. So now I set it up properly and everything is working as it should. It still feels way faster than 50 kilometers an hour for some reason. I know this is new. You guys are used to see me on a scooter riding around and all that, but I'm trying to enter this bike world with surrounds, with bikes, with e-bikes, with motos and all that. And I'm starting up with this because this is what I have, right? Of course, that's thanks to Legality. They gave me this. So if you want to take this bike, just go on their website, use code GOW and you'll get 10% off. I don't even know where I'm going right now. It's not really bad on the sidewalk. This doesn't have any bike lane, but I assume I can ride on it. I mean, they are doing it and it seems pretty normal to them. This is so nice. The father with the daughter. This is cute. I'm always doing this. Let's hit this downhill with the bike. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, that was awesome. When something bad is happening to you, think about, it could have went way worse than it did. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. You made my dream work. So please keep being amazing and stay tuned.